First off, I'd like to say thanks for watching Bones Small Engine Repairs. Today we're working on a Husqvarna 455 Rancher. The reason why we're doing this is because the Purge bubble or the primer bubble, as you can see right here, is all rotted out and won't find the gas. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to easily replace this. It's not a real hard job. Shouldn't take more than, I don't know, maybe a couple minutes. So let's get started on it. First of all, you're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. There's 3 bolts in the top. I'm going to remove this top cover piece right here by taking out these 3 screws. One's in the front. There's 2 in the back. One on this side. And then one right here on this side. Loosen all 3 of these screws. And the top should come off. Slide the top off like that. I'm going to set that to the side. Next thing you have to do is you pull this little metal clip back right here. This removes the air filter. We'll remove the air filter. When you remove the air filter, you'll see there's access to your 2 fuel lines. I prefer using a small fair needle nose pliers. Remove the top fuel line. And then you remove the bottom fuel line. And then you can take the needle nose pliers or fair screwdrivers. And, or maybe you can use your fingers. And you squeeze the 2 plastic clips right here. And this bubble should pop out pretty easily. I'd say pretty easily. There's the bowl. You can tell it's all rotted, broke, okay, so it won't do any good priming. So we're going to take our new bubble. You can see here's our new bubble. I'm going to place it in with the short side down, the long side up. And you place it in there. Push the bubble in. Make sure when you push it in, both clips snap. This line right here will go to your short end. If you're bringing in the fuel from the gas tank into the bubble. Slide this hose on. Make sure it's on good and tight. And this other line that goes into your carburetor, it brings the fuel out of the purge or the primer bubble into the carburetor. It goes on the long one. Put it on good and tight. And if you notice over here, when you push the bubble or the purge bubble, as you can tell, I don't know if you can see in the video real well. As you can tell, as you push it or prime it, fuel starts building up in the bubble and brings it back through. After that, you see that it's working, and you simply just put your breather back on. Snaps on with no problem. You line it up. Snap it back on. Put your metal clip back on. You sure I got lined up right. Snap your metal clip back on. Put your cover back on. Make sure it sits down good and flat. And take your Phillips head screwdriver. And you just run all 3 screws back down good and snug. And everything should work perfectly fine with your Husqvarna 455 Rancher chainsaw. I hope this helped. Hope everyone liked the video. If so, please like and subscribe. And to see more upcoming videos. And again, I thank you very much for watching Bone Small Engine Repair. Thank you.